How to remove background in Canva from photo. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Canva application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, in order to remove the background in Canva from a photo, you will need to have a premium account of Canva, or else you will not be able to remove the background. So, once you have assured that you have a premium account, move forward with the process. Go ahead and tap on the plus icon on the bottom center of your screen and further tap on the uploads option and upload the picture you want to remove the background from. Once the picture is uploaded, from the bottom toolbar, tap on the effects option. You will further see the option for BG Remover. Tap on that, and as mentioned before, if you are using a premium account, your background will be removed from the picture. So, this is how you can remove background in Canva from photo. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.